the icons of Africa, ambassadors of an impressive wilderness, shaped by the continent's elements. Creatures dependent on nature's most basic offerings, food and water. Two staples that she provides with abundance or rations down to a fraction. But there is something that defies nature's rhythms. A beautiful tree with an unexpected story never before seen so intimately and so vividly. A fortune of fruits and flowers that sustain the animals most affected by the yearly drought. A miracle tree that provides a feast at a time when nature is most unforgiving. The sausage tree.